Hello guys, today we are going to learn addition of integers and opposite numbers. So, first let's learn addition of integers. So, when there are integers of same sign, we can just ignore the signs, okay? We can just ignore the signs and then add both the integers and give the common sign. That means here the example is minus 3 plus minus 5. They both have the same sign, that is the minus sign. So we ignore the minus sign, we add both the numbers and then we give again that minus sign to the sum. Okay, now we know how to add integers with same sign. Let's add integers with different sign. So, the steps for adding integers with different signs is ignore the signs, compare without the signs, okay? Subtract smaller from the bigger number, then give the sign of the bigger number. That means here the example is minus 5 plus 2. We have compared 5, we have ignored the sign, okay? So, when we ignore the sign, they become 5 and 2. Then we compare them and we got to know that 5 was the bigger one. So we did the subtraction thing, that is 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Then give the sign of the bigger number. What was the bigger number? When we compare, that was 5. And before that, what sign did 5 have? Minus sign. So we give the sign of the bigger number. In this case, the minus sign. Now opposite numbers. What are opposite numbers? The numbers are at same distance from 0 but in opposite directions. Let's draw the number line here. This is 0, the origin, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So minus 1 and plus 1 are both opposite numbers. That means they are on the same distance from the 0 but in opposite directions. Now minus 2 and 2 are opposite numbers. That means they are in the same distance from 0 but in opposite directions, right? Now the sum of two opposite numbers is 0. How? See, when we do minus 2 plus 2, if we go and compare, because they do not have same sign. Minus 2 has the negative sign, plus 2 has the positive sign. So we compare both 2 and 2. We get both are equal, right? Both are equal. So what we do is we take any 2 and subtract this 2, right? And we get this as 0. And we know that 0 does not have any sign, right? So we do not give any sign to the 0. That's why the sum of opposite numbers is 0.